Time for another little Tassie waterfall adventure. I'm heading down to take some photos at Silver Falls, which is just south of Ulverston, maybe about half an hour inland. And it is one of 4 different waterfalls on the Castra circuit, but this one is nice and close to the road. We've got some great conditions for waterfall photography this afternoon, and I can see the waterfall off in the distance already. I can hear it, it's very loud, so keen to check it out.